If you have issues with your Bluetooth device not working properly with your Motorola Signature, if you cannot connect your Bluetooth device properly, or if you have some sort of issues with your device, then what you can do is, first of all, we can open the settings. Then over here, we're gonna go to connected devices. And if you happen to have your Bluetooth device saved on your phone, then what you can do is you can simply forget the device altogether. So we're just gonna forget the device completely. There we go. And I'm gonna also turn off my Bluetooth device. What is more is we can go to connection preferences and then go to Bluetooth. And then over here, we're gonna turn off Bluetooth. After that, just turn it back on. And then we can go back to the pair new device. And of course, we can pair our Bluetooth device one more time. Now, keep in mind that sometimes, maybe even most of the times, your Bluetooth device has the pairing button. So you want to use it to put your Bluetooth device into the pairing mode. Now, if you cannot use the pairing mode, then just make sure that your Bluetooth device is not connected to anything else. And then you should be able to find your Bluetooth device on this list of available devices. And after some time, if you don't see the device on this list of available devices, then you might be able to use a refresh button here on the right side. If it doesn't appear or something, then you can just simply exit these settings, or this menu actually, and go back to it. And of course, try to pair your Bluetooth device after that. Now, another thing that you can do is you can simply factory reset your Bluetooth device. So unfortunately, I cannot really show you how to do that with your Bluetooth device because every Bluetooth device has its own way of hard resetting them. So you might want to check the manual of your Bluetooth device or something like that. Essentially, just search for the guide. And then once you do that, you just want to try to pair your Bluetooth device again. And if you actually had your Bluetooth device saved, then just like before, you want to forget it completely from your phone first. Now, in case none of this helps, if you still cannot connect your Bluetooth device properly, one more thing that you can do. Actually, there are two more things that you can do. So first, let's talk about the one that I wanted to say first. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna scroll down in the main menu of settings, and we want to go to System, and then in System go to Reset Options in order to find Reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. And of course, you want to confirm that you want to reset these settings. Now, keep in mind that unfortunately, you cannot separate Bluetooth and Wi-Fi like this. So when you confirm that you want to reset, you will not only erase all Bluetooth devices and reset Bluetooth settings, you will also erase Wi-Fi networks and reset Wi-Fi settings as well. So you will have to reconnect to your Wi-Fi networks after that. But once you do that, and if you decide to do that, of course, then you will have to just go back to Bluetooth settings over here, and you just have to pair your Bluetooth device again. I mean, you have to try to do that. And the last thing actually that I wanted to tell you is, of course, you want to also try to restart your phone, and this can actually be quite helpful as well in some cases. So sometimes if none of this actually helps, you can just simply reboot your phone, and sometimes this does the trick, so you can give it a try. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.